Hello friends, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make peanut butter. To get started, here are some peanuts that I've already cleaned behind the camera. I'll transfer into my cooking pan, take to the heat and toast. Toast on a low heat and give it a continuous stir so that it doesn't get burned. After toasting the peanut for some time, I'll be checking it with my hands to know if it is well toasted. So I'll just squeeze some of the peanut with my hands. If the skin peels off from it easily, which means it's ready, remove from the heat, transfer it to a tray, allow to cool, and begin to peel. After peeling off the skin from the peanut and it becomes clean, transfer it to a blender, add some salt and blend smoothly. After blending the peanut for some time, I'll open the blender, then I'll be bringing down the one sticking to the side of the blender. Then cover and blend once again until it is completely smooth. After blending the peanut and it becomes smooth, and this is what our peanut butter looks like. Store in an airtight container and it can last more than a year at home. Peanut butter can be enjoyed by spreading it on bread. It can also be taken with biscuit for a twist of change. It can be added to cupcake, cookies, and also for cooking. Peanut butter can be enjoyed in different ways depending on your taste. Please, I'll also be grateful if you let me know what you use your peanut butter for in my comment section. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you for clicking to watch. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be among the first person to be notified. To my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for being part of this journey. May God bless you. Peanut butter can be packaged for commercial purpose. The most important thing is that it should be well packaged and sealed so that water don't get into it to prevent it from being going bad easily. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and share with your loved ones. Thanks for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.